Hey, welcome. Now, finally, you can make money on Facebook. This was announced some months ago that it will be rolled out in June for countries like Nigeria, Ghana, and the likes. And finally, we have been expecting since June, but now it has been rolled out, I think June 27. And in this video, I'll walk you through step by step how you can set up your monetization and also set up your payout settings. Many videos won't show you this, but of course, this is why you are here. I'll also share with you mistakes to avoid and share some tips that you need to know to make more money. Now, there are two ways to monetize your account. Is it that you are using the professional account or your Facebook page? So if you do not have it turned on, I will explain how you can do that. So click on the three dots and scroll down. You will see turn professional mode on. Mine is already turned on. That is why you are saying off. Now, another tip is this: on your personal profile, ensure you are using your real name and also your real picture. On a Facebook page, it does not really matter. You can just use any image. Now, let's talk about monetization itself. So there are different ways in which you can monetize your account. So go to your professional dashboard. Once you have your account on professional mode, go to professional dashboard and navigate to monetization. Now, there are different ways in which you can monetize with Facebook, but the one that was actually rolled out, especially for Nigerians, is the in-stream ad. So in-stream ad is basically allowing Facebook show ads on your videos, either live videos or even uploaded or on-demand video. Now, let's look at the eligibility criteria, because you need to meet some certain criteria before you can be eligible. Now, the first one here is this. You can see I belong to an eligible country. The second one is the content monetization policy, which I will talk about later. And you need to have at least 5,000 followers. Now, if you have changed from normal Facebook account to professional account, they will combine your friends and followers, so it will increase. Now, video views, you also need at least 60,000 minutes in the last 60 days. And you should have also uploaded at least 5 videos. You should have like 5 videos on your account. It could be live videos, on-demand videos, and even previous live video that you have done. If people are watching, it also counts. Now, let's talk about something that is very important, which is the content monetization policy. If yours is not green, I would advise you go to your previous video, try to delete any video that is not originally made by you. If it is a video you saw online and you just uploaded, or videos with copyrighted music, they don't count. So you need to just make sure you delete all of those videos. Now, another thing is, if you share a video to your page, it won't count. So that's what they are referring to as cross-posted. So it should be original video that you created. And another thing is, avoid tagging too many people, or even avoid tagging. If you tag someone to a video, it won't also count, because Facebook see that as shared performance. So it will not count for you and for the other person. So it should be you and you alone. You can also see the eligibility requirement for live videos. This one is 10,000 followers. Same thing applies. 600,000 total minutes. That's the difference from the other one. Now, the content monetization policies, there are some things you need to know. Very, very important policies you need to always adhere to. Prohibited format. Number 1, static videos do not count. Static video is when you have just an image with some animation or motion. They don't count. That's what Facebook is trying to say here. So the next one is static image pose. You can see that content posted for the sole purpose of increasing engagement by asking people to react won't count. If you're asking for reactions, slideshows, looping videos like GIF images, they don't count. Text montages, you can see. So these are things you need to have at the back of your mind. Now there are also some behavior that won't count as well, like engagement bait, using some nudity in your content just to get engagement. That won't work. Also, there are certain kind of videos that won't be accepted, like sexual content, explicit content, misinformation. All of these things also matters. So make sure you have all of this at the back of your mind. Now I would just want to share a tip with you. Make sure your videos are at least 15 seconds long. And again, once you have all of these criteria checked, what will happen is Facebook will then invite you within a week. But if you do not have any invitation, try to reach out to their support, and they will reach out to their support, tell them that you are expecting to be invited, and they should activate it for you. So you need to meet up all of these criteria, and that will be done. Another tip is this: while you are waiting, make sure you have gone live like at least 3 times on your page, on your Facebook page. Length or duration of the live video does not really matter, but try as much as possible to be, let's say, 1 minute. So do like 3 times. That also helps. That kind of helps. You understand? So I just thought of sharing that tip with you. Okay, so let's set up our payout account. Now many people might not know this, but then you also need to set up your payout account. So go there and fill in your name, your surname, and your date of birth. Fill that in. Now the reason why you see Poland here is because I'm currently in Poland, right? But make sure you put Nigeria. And also, your first name is your name, not your surname. We are used to having surname first instead of first name. When I got to Europe, I understand that should be the way. So your first name before your surname. Then country, put Nigeria. Business type, you mostly select individual sole proprietor, but if otherwise, select the option that best describe your business type. It could be an LLC. Now fill in all of these details, your address, your middle name. So follow me on Facebook. My name is Alike Samuel Titilokpo on Facebook, and your TIN. I'll come back to tax identification number. Fill that in. I have filled mine in here. So once you have done that, then Facebook will ask you, okay, payout method you want to use. So I'll be using manually link bank account. So I'll be using my Polish bank account here. Of course, you can always add your bank account. Now for the Nigerian audience, just search how to get TIN in Nigeria. I found this Medium post and I think it is helpful. All you need to do is, of course, incorporate your business. Once you have done that, then visit the Joint Tax Board website. You can see register, click on register for TIN individual, and you'll be asked to provide your BVN details and valid means of identification. I think it is quite easy, because without your TIN, you'll not be able to get payout. If you do CAC registration, this is the time for you to catch out big time, because everybody will need this. Now, once you have done this, I'll fill in my bank account details here, as I've said. Once I fill that in, now let's see what happens. It's loading, and that is it. Now, this is the last step. All you need to do is, are you a US citizen? No, I am not. Are you acting as an intermediary agent or other person receiving payment on behalf? No. I click on next. Citizenship is Nigerian. So the thing you already provided, just click on next, and fill in all of those details will still show. Next, and click next. And lastly, inside the United States, no. Select this, type your full name, is here. So my tax information was generated. All I need to do is submit form. Now your tax information is complete. Your tax information has been validated successfully. No further action is required at this time. You can see all of my details are now verified and done. So let's see what shows next. Successfully added payout account. You can see it's not showing me to set up my payout settings anymore. Well done, you are able to earn money from your content. And guys, that is it. Do well to also give me some stars. My stars are also activated now. Yeah, so guys, I hope this is helpful, and let me know, try it out. Let's earn the Facebook, the Meta money. If you love this video, like, comment, share with your friends, and also do well to subscribe to my channel.